Hi everyone, I'm hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So in one of my earlier video, I have made a video related with the MOU of IGNOU with CMA Institute. Those students who want to pursue BCom within a year. Sometimes guys, we have seen that those who have already cleared the BCom but they have scored 40% mark, 45% mark along with they are pursuing CMA course. So they also continue BCom from IGNOU. Reason is that 1 year and they want to increase their percentage 60%, 65%, so that in campus placement this will benefit to you. So for the purpose you can do the BCom. Okay, apart from this you can also do the MCom. For MCom we have a MOU. Only 4 paper we have to given for MCom, but when we qualified CMA examination final examination, we have to send intermediate, foundation, final, and the result copy of MCom, and then we will get the mark sheet of MCom. So yes guys, 1 year 7,000 fees you have to pay, and 4 paper you have to give one, which is very easy and you can easily crack your MCom exams. So guys, hope you understand. From where you need to find these options, you need to write IGNOU CMA MOU. Okay, then you to click on first one here. If you want to know about the BCom related courses, so you can click here. If you want to know about MCom, so you need to click here. I have already prepared the video related with BCom. You can watch. But now, in this particular video, we will discuss about MCom, MA, FS. So click here for details. You can take online admission through IGNOU websites. So guys, only 4 paper we have to given. Only 4 paper we have to given. Paper number 1, organization theory and behavior, research theory, or in which paper number 3 you have two optional, domestic business environment or international business environment, marketing management or international marketing management. Okay, so 4 paper you have to given. 7,000 is the fees you can see here, and these are the 8 paper related with the final, our CMA final courses. Okay, so after completing the, but you can take the admission after completing CMA intermediate. You will receive the mark sheet after completing final. You have to share the final or inter mark sheet along with the result copy of MCom, and after some time they will share you the hard copy as well as soft copy of MCom mark sheet. So guys, minimum duration 2 years, but you can complete this within a year. Apart from this, course fee 7,000, and if you want to know about the more, click here to download prospectus, so you will receive the prospectus. So you need to choose your regional center, nearby regional center. I have choose the Maidangadi, Delhi. Apart from this, you have to compulsorily submit the assignment. From where you will get the assignment? IGNOU assignment in Google you have to write. Okay. Then you need to click here. Then you to Control F, MCom, MAFS. Okay. So here you will get. So latest one will be applicable to you. And how you will prepare? In a rough sheet you can prepare. In a copy you can say you have to take the pages and you need to write down the answers and you need to submit to the regional centers. Okay, which is compulsorily guys. Okay, without submitting you are not eligible to give your exam. So please understand, these are the compulsorily. You can find out the answers here. You will get the question paper. For answer you need to search from the study material. Apart from this, online or the nearby your regional center, you will get the suggested answer. 40 rupees you have to given 100 rupees. You can easily get the answers of these assignment. Okay, so after assignment you have to fill the exam form. 200 is the fees. You need to come here, IGNOU exam form in Google. But you have to write down 200 is the fees. Earlier it is a 150. So now you have to accept the condition. Okay, you need to click here, proceed to fill online examination. You need to program code your enrollment number, your regional. Okay, you can from Delhi, Bhopal, Aligarh, whichever applicable for you, and you need to submit. Okay, so then you can fill out your all the details. Okay guys, so please understand, you have to fill exam form before your examination. You have to submit the compulsorily assignment from where you get the answers, from where you get the questions. I have told you. So this is all about the IGNOU MCOM. Okay, it is my humble request to every CMA pursuing aspirant must go with the MCOM. Simply you have to given the 4 paper and easily you will get MCOM. Okay, and those student who has scored less mark in BCom and want for getting a good placement in campus, my if they want to pursue the BCom is good for you. Okay, only 4 paper you need to give, and it is more chances that you can get 60%, 65%, or 70%. I have seen that most people are doing nowadays the same strategy. Okay, yes, I have also pursued the MCOM from IGNOU. So still you have any doubt, you can ask me. All these kind of in near future I will also bring such kind of MOUs between the other universities, other colleges, and other foreign courses. Okay, so still you have any doubt, you can ask me. And this is all about the IGNOU courses. You can directly take the admission from IGNOU admission. Okay, you can take here from the IGNOU admissions. So first of all, for first time you have to register yourself. Okay, from this you can register yourself. Then you can fill your detail, your name, registration number, all the things you need to mention. Okay, your BCom mark sheet, your 10th and 12th mark sheet, these kind of detail you have to mention it. Yes, you need not to go to offline examination or admission. Online admission is best for you. It will save your time, it will save your cost as well as. Okay, so you can take the online admission assignment. You have to fill only 4 examination you can give, and there the exam will take place 2 terms, June and December. Okay, so 2 times in a year the exam will take place. 7,000 is the fees for MCOM examination. Okay, I have also pursued the same course. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me. Everything I have covered: the fees, the structure, the course content. 1 year easily you can correct your all the 4 papers, and you have to submit the assignment. You have to fill your exam form before appearing in exam. Apart from this, online you can take the admissions. Okay, so these all about the courses. In near future I will also bring such kind of MOUs of CME Institute with other institute. So hope you have any doubt, you can ask me. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.